Hello everyone, welcome to Priyanka in Kitchen. Today we are making very healthy detox apple juice. For that we need apples, cardamom, clove, cinnamon stick, now we'll crush one cardamom, one clove, half-inch cinnamon stick. Now crush it properly. Now take water in a pan. Add apple which I have cut into pieces. Now add the spices. Boil the apple till it is very soft and can be stirred easily. We should have this detox apple juice in the early morning empty stomach. This keeps your liver clean and keep you healthy. Diabetic patients should avoid this juice. Now you can see it is getting softer. So now you can see it is very soft and can be stirred easily. Now take a bowl and stir in it. Take out all the pulp. Add few drops of lemon juice. Now your detox apple juice is ready. Stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.